For years, my days were filled with following up with my staff about service requests and maintenance issues, but now I have AavGo. It helps my entire team work cohesively and efficiently. Let me show you what it does for us. While we always strive to provide our guests with the best possible experience, unexpected issues always pop up. But with AavGo, addressing these issues is just a click away. We love how AavGo keeps us all connected. With real-time, two-way language translation, we're breaking the communication barrier. AavGo keeps everyone connected, allowing me to assign tasks in real time. It makes it easy for me to empower my staff and serve our guests better. And with AavGo's 360-degree analytics, I now have an easy way to measure customer satisfaction and operational performance. Staying connected has never been easier.